Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create caption auto for video in Adobe Premiere Pro 2025. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our video and we are going to create caption auto. Now you see transcript and then you see caption and then you see option create caption from transcript. So click on it and then you see create caption dialog box. Now you see multiple option. Now you see subtitle default and then you see caption preference. Now expand. Now you see option. So you can set option according to requirement and then you see transcription preference. So click on it. Now you see language English. Speaker labeling. Now you see two options. Yes, separate speaker. No, don't separate speaker. So you can select according to requirement and then you see transcribe and create caption. So click on it. Now you see creating auto transcription, a few seconds remaining and then you see creating caption. Now you see caption is created for this video by using Adobe Photoshop 2025. If you want you can edit it, so click on it. Now you see, so you can add your text. Now click on play. Now you see caption show in video and if you want you can add some styling on font. Now select all like this and then you see font size. If you want you can increase font size. Now you see and then you see font family. Now you see all cap. Now you see zone location and then you see appearance fill color scheme. If you want you can add stroke, enable this option. Now click on it so you can add some stroke. Now you see if you want you can add background, so it's up to you. If you want you can add shadow. So you can do setting according to requirement for caption and then click on save video. So in this way you can auto generate caption for video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.